Are you concerned about being left stranded if you break one of the coolant lines down here, if you're driving your Model Y off-road? Well, I've got a solution for you. EV Base sells these coolant line guards. They're made of steel, so they're pretty solid and they will protect those coolant lines. Again, these coolant lines have plastic fittings on them, and if you break one of those off, especially one of the ones that are going into the battery, you're going to be potentially on the hook for a $16,000 to $20,000 battery replacement. So a little bit of prevention goes a long ways. You'll never know if you need these till you do. Anyway, these are very simple to install. Drive up on a couple wooden blocks just to give you a little bit more height if you don't have a jack. If you have a jack, then just jack up the car. Again, you do not need to take off the tire. You need a Phillips screwdriver and then a 10mm socket or wrench. The socket's much easier. So there you go. That's what the coolant lines back there look like. Not sure if you can see that. And that's what we're protecting, those coolant lines. We don't want to get those fittings broken. Let's just get started. And then we're going to take this long one. So we'll just put those in. And so that's what it's going to look like. Well, that was a fairly quick install. Only took a few minutes. Now I know that my coolant lines and fittings are protected by this EV Base coolant line guard. If you're interested in purchasing this or any other EV Base products, got a link down in the description. Save you a few dollars. They're always having sales. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on my next video.